Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you are all good. Welcome back to my channel Art of Decor. We share awesome ideas to decorate your life easier. In this video, I can show you some different blob mirrors designs, ideas to decorate your room with modern mirrors designs. Here are simple and artistic modern mirror ideas to decorate your home with latest living standard styles. Unique and personalized decor. DIY blob mirrors allows you to create one-of-a-kind pieces that reflect your personal style and taste. You can customize the shape, size, colors, and patterns to match your desired aesthetic and create a statement pieces for your home. Budget friendly. Creating your own blob mirrors art can be a cost-effective way to decorate your space. Instead of purchasing expensive art pieces, you can use affordable materials and unleash your creativity to make stunning and affordable wall decor. Creative expressions. DIY blob mirrors provide an opportunity for creative expressions. You can experiment with different techniques, colors, and textures. You create visually captivating designs. It allows you to showcase your aesthetic skills and explore new artistic ideas. Mindful and therapeutic activity. Engaging in DIY projects like blob mirrors art can be a mindful and therapeutic activity. It offers a chance to relax, de-stress, and focus on the present moment. The process of creating art can be calming and meditative, providing a sense of joy and fulfillment. Home transformation. Adding DIY blob mirrors art to your home can instantly transform the look and feel of your space. It brings a touch of elegance, uniqueness, and personality to your interior decor. The reflective properties of mirrors also help in creating an illusion of space and enhancing the overall ambience of the room. Conversation starter. DIY blob mirrors art often become a conversation starter when guests visit your home. The distance and eye-catching design of these art pieces can spark curiosity and intrigue, leading to engaging conversation about your creative process and artistic choices. Sustainable and eco-friendly. Creating your own blob mirror art allows you to upcycle materials and reduce wastes. You can repurpose old or unused mirrors, foams, and other materials, giving them a new life and reducing your environmental footprint. Learning and skill development. DIY blob mirrors art provides an opportunity to learn new techniques and improve your artistic skills. You can explore various painting methods, experiment with different mediums, and develop your artistic abilities through practice and experimentation. Personal satisfaction. Completing a DIY blob mirrors art projects bring a sense of accomplishment and personal satisfaction. It is a tangible representation of your creativity and effort, adding to your sense of fulfillment and pride in your artistic endeavors. Gift giving and sharing. DIY blob mirrors art can also be thoughtful and unique gifts for your loved ones. Handcraft art pieces hold sentimental value and slow the effort and care put into creating them, making them meaningful gifts for special occasions. Join the creative journey with me and let's explore the world of art and design together. Thank you so much. Bye bye.